Okay, good morning everyone. We have started the next video. We're actually not going to be working on the BMW for the next couple of videos. If you saw in my last video, we're actually taking a break from that. So what we're doing actually is I'm going to be working on my daily, which is a 97 Honda Accord. I'm going to be making it a lot nicer because if you guys don't already know, I've been trying to find a better car, someone that's better suited for daily driving, because I drive an hour each way every single day. But I decided I don't feel like spending money on a new car. The things that I think are worth spending the money on are too expensive, and the things I can afford I can't justify spending the money on. So I'm just going to perfect my daily. So that's what we're going to be doing the next couple of videos. I've got quite a few maintenance issues that need to be sorted, and then we're just going to be making it a little bit nicer. So stay tuned, I'll see you. So first order of business is actually going to be new tires. If you can see all that right there, my Honda had a really bad alignment issue on the front where I had some worn steering components and it was pulling super hard to the left. I didn't realize it was wearing the tires so bad. I've got, as you can see, I've got a different set of wheels and tires on the front. They're actually a little bit bigger than the ones on the back. I still have two more that I'm going to put on the rear, and I've got new tires for the smaller wheels. So I'm going to go ahead and put the old wheels and tires on the back and then go run to the tire shop and get the new tires put on these wheels over here, and then we're going to go ahead and install them. So let's go ahead and get the car in the carport and get things switched around. Mounted. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this rear bumper out, since I don't have one, and see what it takes to mount, because I really don't know. I haven't looked it up yet. It shouldn't be more than a couple screws, but let's find out.
I feel you touch, all alone on the road again. I flick the clutch, 14 start around a bend. I just watch from the window when I see my friends. I flick the clutch, 14 start around a bend. Take me out my misery, so far too gone, just let me leave. You want me dead, I want to breathe. I'm drowning all the things I see. Take me out my...
Alright, we are back with day 2 of making my daily a lot better. I've already got the rear bumper painted, so we're going to go ahead and get it mounted. And then I've got the new tires mounted on the old wheels, so we're going to go ahead and do that. I'm not sure what else I'm going to do today. It is pretty hot out, so I might try and chill out inside for a while, but let's go ahead and do that and see what time looks like.
I feel you touch, all alone on the road again. I'm too much far gone, I'm not innocent. I just watch from the window while I see my friends. I flick the clutch, 14 start around a bend. Take me out my misery, I'm far too gone, just let me leave. You want me dead, I want to breathe. I'm drowning all the things I see. Take me out my misery, I'm far too gone, just let me leave. You want me dead, I want to breathe. I'm drowning all the things I see. I feel you all the things I see.
While I'm under here, I need you guys to appreciate how clean this thing is underneath. I know the exhaust is kind of rusty, but look at how clean the rest of it is, man. This thing's crazy. 136,000 miles on a 97. Not bad. The fitment on it is obviously not the best, but it was a $90 and free shipping Chinese eBay bumper. And this has also been hit in the back. You could tell this thing's it's all dented in right here. The trunk doesn't fit right, so it's about as good as it's gonna be. And it definitely does look a lot better now. New old wheels and tires are on. Starting to look like a Honda again. I say we go take it for a test drive and maybe get some pictures.
I'm far too gone, just let me leave. You want me dead, I want to breathe. I'm drowning all the things I see. Take me out my misery. I'm far too gone, just let...
Day 3 making the Honda nice. Heat's fucking killing me, man. But today we're actually going to be putting new headlights in. I think I showed you guys earlier in the video, but these headlights are fucking old and disgusting. So I got some new ones. They're one piece. They should fit right, but I don't know. Let's find out. This eBay stuff, you never know if it's actually going to work or not.
I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking doubt. I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking... I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking doubt. I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking doubt. I'm sorry that I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I'm trying to get a job, feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking... I'm sorry that I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I'm trying to get a job, feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking... I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that I fucking doubt. I'm sorry that I tried too hard to be myself. I know that I'm sick, I really need some help. I've been trying to get a job, but it didn't work out. I've been feeling like a bitch, you know that.
Alright, I got the headlights all installed. As you can see, I'm wearing scrubs. I'm about to go to work. I wanted to film an outro real quick. It's probably going to be the end of the first episode of this series that I'm doing. Kind of finishing up the cosmetic stuff. So if you like it, let me know. I'll do some more. In the next video, I am actually installing a subwoofer and an amp. I'm probably going to be fixing the windows, and we're going to be taking a look at the AC and getting that fixed. So kind of some mechanical stuff, but also some stuff that'll make it more enjoyable to drive. So I'll see you in the next one.